In Brazil, the death toll from COVID-19 has exceeded 70,000 as over 1,200 fatalities were recorded in the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, the U.S. has once again reported its highest single-day infections as over 67,000 tested positive in the country. The total number of cases in the U.S. has crossed 3.18 million with over 134,000 deaths. The global number of COVID-19 deaths has neared 560,000 with over 12.4 million cases. Further details in this report.
The virus is rigorously spreading in the Americas with each passing day. Mexico's death toll has risen by 665 to over 34,000 with a total of 289,000 infections. The government says the real number of infected people is likely to be significantly higher than the reported cases. Brazil remains the second worst affected country from the pandemic in the world after the United States. In a recent poll, nearly two-thirds of the Americans have disapproved of President Donald Trump's handling of the pandemic. U.S. top infectious disease official Dr. Anthony Fauci said the virus is likely to spread through the air to some degree.
We've learned painfully now that this is a highly efficient transmitter from person to person. By respiratory droplets, still some question about aerosol, but likely some degree of aerosol. Infected surfaces, it's been shown, can live for variable periods of time. Virus found in different body fluids, but the role in transmission is still unclear.
Meanwhile, the World Health Organization says it is unlikely that the new coronavirus will be eliminated.
In our current situation, it is very unlikely that we can eradicate or eliminate this virus. If we want to avoid, after a lockdown, having major epidemics, we need to watch out for the small clusters, and we need to extinguish those clusters quickly. We all need to remain vigilant. We need to remain vigilant with our physical distancing, with our hygiene, with mask wearing in the appropriate settings.
Russia says it is considering to resume international flights after 15th July. Over in China, authorities have reported only 2 new coronavirus cases on the mainland. Meanwhile, South Korea has reported 35 more cases with number of infections declining for the 4th consecutive day.